Hey, it's Olay from PhotOle Photography. We have an unboxing video. I received this package a couple days ago in the mail. Just didn't have a chance to see what we got. So I had a little bit of free time. So now I'm gonna open it up. Looks like a man camera. It's a 210. Let's check out the serial number. It's ZM825853. And this is also 3 volts. Clean, good condition. Bellows look good. So we'll clean it up, get that working. I can't remember if this one came with anything or not. It's a way for them to make the package heavier so they can charge us more money for shipping. I do have a second package. I guess I'll put the other box on top. Same thing, check out this giant box for probably one camera. This one has a carrying case. Polaroid Spectra, but it's 600 film, so hopefully this isn't dry like all the other ones I've received so far. We have Polaroid Onyx, and there looks to be some 2 frames in here. So we'll test that out. We have remote, which is pretty cool. So I guess this attaches to the camera, and then this would be your wireless remote. So I'll put it away while I still have it open. We have all the manuals. I don't really save those. Did you hear that? The camera kind of started up. I'm guessing these are filters. Cool effects. Diamond. Another diamond filter. Let's see what's in this one. And more filters, diffusers, ND filters, neutral density filters. I already have a set of these, but I've never tested it out, so maybe I'll make an attempt at using it. That was it. A good score off of a Spectra Onyx. You can see inside the actual camera. But my favorite thing about this score is probably just the 2 packs of film, so hopefully it's not too dry. Looks like whoever got this before tried opening it, but didn't open in this part of it, so like I said, we'll test it. It's 2008, so hopefully it's still good. So again, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, send me an email at ole@photole.com. Thank you.